Hi guys, I'm here at just outside the Black Heart in London on a night where I thought that a lot of Metallica fans would show up. Let's find out.
Fuck yeah! Look at this. The energy is incredible. Oh, look at that. I love the fact that this is sort of become the gathering ground for all the fans that are touring, all the black ticket holders, everybody that's run away with the rock and roll circus.
Every night before the show, I get the special privilege of going out and doing a gig, meeting with all the fans and the fan clubs and all the people gathering and sharing craft beer, enter Night Pilsner, and I promise everybody that the guys will see it.
Greg is very diligent and sends me all of them, and I watch them, and most of them go up on Metallica's social media. It's super cool to share them with the world. It's super cool that Greg is out there doing this and getting in the trenches with all you guys. And when we start the next leg in Berlin, I and the rest of the guys in Metallica encourage all of you to come out and share in the madness with Greg and his team and share beer, music, Metallica, and craziness all over.
And ask me and I'll give you an official Metallica Enter Night guitar pick.
And isn't there something about, wait a minute, Snake Pit Passes?
That's right.
Snake Pit Passes. Come and hang in the Snake Pit.
We do a raffle for 2 Snake Pit passes that perhaps you are the one that will win it.
Anyway, nothing but a good time.
I got, let's see, Enter Night people.
Thank you.